What are the best value for money dash cameras that you can buy in Australia and beyond in July, August 2025? Welcome back to the channel, my friends, and this experimental showcase reel video. Hear me out, I'll explain how it works. I am receiving products for review. I will continue doing so and I will continue reviewing products for you. But there are only so many products that I receive and that I can review per unit of time. My audience is growing and I'm trying to give you more quality content. Here is my experiment of curating, aka I watch other reviews. I think, oh, that's great. I would love to have that product, or I would love my audience to even know that this product exists. So I have pre-curated a short list of different dash cameras that exist out there, but I don't have direct access to it. And I am promoting and kind of remixing and showing to you the review done by another person and linking you to their review, to their channel. So I'm speeding up your search and your research, telling you what exists out there and inviting you to take a look at that, highlighting key points, what makes those cameras worthy of your attention, or what I liked personally about that, to kind of help you make a decision. Oh yeah, I'll click on that link and I'll check it out. I have no financial benefit that is associated with this specific link, so me promoting that other content. I'm simply trying to give you more quality content as well as promote the good work done by other creators. Makes sense? Well, let's take a look at the first camera.